Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fill passport pickup form and what are the documents you have to submit and how to fill them, and also what to write on the envelope. Watch the video till the end. First, if you have opened a link, this link I have provided in description. This link can be used by anyone in India to schedule their passport pickup. Once you open the link, you have to select two-way courier option. It means for pickup and also drop your passport back to UK after stamping process. After this, select application type. Then select the biometrics portion, yes, because if you get your PPR means you may already given your biometrics, right? So select yes, then select the city where you have given your biometrics. Now the passport will be picked up by them. Then select number of applicants. Now you have to enter PIN code of your address. If is serviceable, it will show address tab. If not, then you have to enter another code where the courier service will be available, like relative's address or something. Select SMS service option if you want. Then at the end you have to upload your PPR letter which you got from the website. Upload it and click continue and make payment. After a successful payment, you will get a mail with a WB number and with attachment of consent form and a courier form. This is how a courier form look like. Fill your details in capital letters, your given name and first name, surname and last name, place, address. Then if your address is not serviceable, then you can write your nearest Blue Dart office location. You can leave so date and due date. Then if you select for SMS service, then enter mobile number and tick on yes option. Finally sign on it. Next, consent form, you have write your details in second page, leave third page blank, and in fourth page write name. Do sign as you agree to take your biometrics, because you have already given, so sign there also. Along with these documents, keep your PPR letter and passport in an envelope. You can buy this envelope at a bookshop by asking a 4-size envelope cover and keep the documents and write address on the cover like this. Don't forget write a WB number which you will get in mail. If you forget to keep any document, then they will not do the stamping process. Be careful, and congratulations for getting PPR. If you feel this video is useful, please subscribe and share in WhatsApp group to help others. Thanks for watching.